Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing the rear radius rod, which includes 2 sets of polyurethane bushings from Nolothane. I'll leave links to those in the description, as well as everything else I've used in this video. I feel like I haven't addressed you guys personally in quite a while, so if you guys have been enjoying the recent uploads, I'm trying to be pretty consistent. Make sure to like, subscribe. I've got a couple more videos coming out on this thing super soon. One of them is a front sway bar with polyurethane bushings from Energy Suspension. That video is going to be super cool, as well as another little restoration video, so hope you guys enjoy. They're also a much harder material, so these will last longer and give you more driving responsiveness, as opposed to these. You'll feel the play in these more. We've got our bracket, we've got our bolts. These are as easy as just slipping these over the radius rod and then installing them. Okay, if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching all the way through. Remember, there's a few more videos coming out on this thing very soon, so make sure to like, subscribe. Everything used in the video is listed down in the description, so make sure to check that out as well. Thank you guys so much again. Peace.